Haemophilus ducreyi. Ducreyi demonstrated this bacillus in the cancroid lesions. What is cancroid? Cancroid is also called as soft sore, which is a venereal disease. There is tender, non-indurated, irregular ulcers on the genitalia. This is called as cancroid. Canker is seen in syphilis. This resembles the canker, so this is called as cancroid. The infection is localized, spreading only to the regional lymph nodes, and the lymph nodes are enlarged and painful. Auto-inoculation lesions may be produced by contact, but there is no immunity following the infection, but hypersensitivity results, which is demonstrated by intradermal inoculation of the killed bacilli. The Haemophilus ducreyi is a short ovoid bacillus which has the tendency to occur in end-to-end pairs or in short chains. This is gram-negative but may often appear gram-positive and frequently shows bipolar staining. The Haemophilus ducreyi bacilli may be arranged in small groups or whorls or in parallel chains, giving it a school of fish or railroad track appearance. So they appear like this, school of fish or railroad appearance. Primary isolation of Haemophilus ducreyi is difficult. It can be grown on fresh clotted rabbit blood, in which it grows as tangled chains of the bacilli. And this may also be grown on chorioallantoic membrane of the chick embryo. On chocolate agar, which is enriched with isovitalex and the fetal calf serum and containing vancomycin. So the chocolate agar which is containing vancomycin. This vancomycin acts as a selective agent which helps in the growth of Haemophilus ducreyi in chocolate agar. And in this, the Haemophilus ducreyi forms small grey translucent colonies. The Haemophilus ducreyi is susceptible to sulfonamides and many antibiotics. Some cases resistant to sulfonamides and the tetracyclines have been reported. So, erythromycin, cotrimoxazole, ciprofloxacin or ceftriaxone may be used for the treatment of Haemophilus ducreyi infection. This is about Haemophilus ducreyi. Next is Haecek group bacteria. HACEK, Haecek group bacteria. The Haecek consists of a group of fastidious, slow-growing bacteria which are normally residing in the mouth but can sometimes cause severe infections, particularly endocarditis. So the Haecek group of organisms particularly can cause endocarditis sometimes. This group includes the H stands for Haemophilus species like Parainfluenzae, Haemophilus apherophilus and Haemophilus parapherophilus, and the A in Haecek stands for Actinobacillus The A stands for Actinobacillus actinomycetomocomitans. The C stands for Cardiobacterium hominis. E stands for Echinella corrodens and K for Kingella kingae. So HACEK, Haecek organisms. The blood cultures from the Haecek patients take 7 to 30 days to become positive. And the antibiotic sensitivity tests are essential for effective therapy, as drug resistance is very common with the Haecek group of organisms. So that is all about Hecke group of bacteria and the Haemophilus ducreyi. Thank you.